what I know about GMO was that I know that there are crops that genes have been infused into them to modify them. But before I knew about this, I've heard people talk about GMOs that they are very harmful. There are laws and regulations regulating GMOs in Ghana. The National Biosafety Authority and the FDA are responsible for that. And through this workshop too, I've learned that BT cowpea, which is yet to be released by Sari from Tamale, they are safe, environmental friendly. Farmers are going to harvest more, and it is going to increase their yield. This is because the number of times that the farmers used to spray the conventional one will be reduced, thereby saving more money. The effect of pesticide on these crops will be reduced.